If you've forgotten your Yahoo Mail password or need to reset it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the Yahoo Sign-In Helper. Visit the Yahoo Sign-In Helper page by entering Yahoo Sign-In Helper in your web browser. This tool will guide you through the process of recovering your account. Step 2. Enter your email address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Choose a recovery method. Select a recovery option from the list presented, such as receiving a verification code via SMS or email. Choose the method that works best for you and click Send. Step 4. Retrieve the verification code. Check your chosen recovery method for the verification code sent by Yahoo. Enter this code in the space provided on the Yahoo page and click Verify. Step 5. Create a new password. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure it is strong and unique. Enter the new password, confirm it, and then click Continue to finalize the process. Now you can log into your Yahoo Mail with your new password. Remember to keep it secure and consider updating it regularly for added security.